Our regional assets. Here we have a new initiative that I want to briefly explain to you. Almost everybody has heard of the research triangle. It's taken on sort of a life of its own over the years. That didn't happen overnight. In fact, it took decades to develop. But I think it's fair to say that the core of the research triangle's success is two things: connections between higher education and knowledge centers and businesses, and geographical proximity. One without the other doesn't work. But when you get both, you create synergies and catalysts and things happen. And so in a sense, what we want to do is create zones, or we're going to work on and call them hubs. Ohio hubs of innovation and opportunity, starting with at least one in each of our 12 identified economic development regions. And we will use knowledge centers, four-year universities, two-year community colleges, Edison centers, research centers like Battelle and NASA Glenn as potential anchors for these hubs. And then working with the region and the community, identify a geographical radius whereby we can provide enhanced incentives to businesses to do business in those regions, in those hubs, or to locate in those hubs, provided that they have a form of partnership with the University System of Ohio or the other knowledge centers in that area. And if they provide that partnership, we are willing to provide more targeted incentives, because we're convinced that that geographical proximity creates things that are far greater than the sum of the parts.